So how you can easily transfer your cryptocurrency to spot to your funding. This is my dashboard. If you see this kind of interface, so you have to press on this icon, then you have to go your dashboard, and under dashboard you have to press on your balance. Once you press on balance, then you can see the spot, margin and funding. So spot means you already spent or buy any coin using this dollar. So you can see USDT. So I want to transfer this USDT to my funding. That's my main balance. That's I able to withdraw to my bank account or other account. So to transfer it, you have to press on this transfer, and once you press on transfer, then you can see spot and funding. Now you have to select your coin. I want to select my USDT and enter your amount. You can see your available balance as well. So if you want to transfer all, then press on max and press on confirm, and transfer successfully. Now if I check my USDT account, reload my browser, and then you can see my USDT balance is 0. And if I go back to my funding, then here you can see this is my USD balance. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.